Hi guys, we are Jens and Toni, and today we are looking at the latest version of the iMac Pro 2019, including the Vega 64X graphic card.
If you are new to our channel, we review tech that we think is cool or that needs some extra discussion and needs to be reviewed like nobody else.
But today we are going mainstream, our top 5 reasons why we invested in the latest iMac Pro 2019 version over the updated regular iMac 2019 version. And guys, bear in mind it has a huge price difference here.
This is not a full comparison video. It is our top 5 reasons why we made that decision. Reason 1.
T2 security chip.
The iMac Pro's T2 processors handles audio and system management, acts as disk controller for high-speed encrypted SSD storage, drives the high-resolution FaceTime camera, and enables a secure boot system that validates that your software hasn't been tampered with.
The iMac has to make do with separate discrete controllers for audio, system, and disk, has a lower resolution and lower quality FaceTime camera, and offers somewhat reduced storage speed that lack that security of an on-fly hardware encryption via the T2 chip. Reason number 2, the cooling system.
The iMac Pro has been completely redesigned on the inside, with the space reserved for spinning hard drive configurations in standard iMacs being replaced with a new fan system that's quiet and efficient.
For comparable levels of work such as video export from Final Cut Pro 10, our iMac Pro is nearly silent and the iMac emits a constant buzz of white noise.
Reason 3. The graphic performance.
And that is a big one for us.
The updated iMac Pro comes with a Vega 64 including 16 gigabytes of HBM2 memory.
Because Apple has completely changed and improved the iMac's thermal management, it is possible to include such powerful GPU in the all-in-one design.
The real-world performance is even better than on paper. One of the reasons why the Vega GPU architecture performs so much better is because it offers high bandwidth memory, HBM2, which enables the GPU to fetch data at a rate of up to 400 gigabytes per second.
We also noticed that Apple appears to have optimized Final Cut Pro 10 and Logic Pro 10 for the iMac Pro, as both applications perform notably better on the Pro machine.
To put it to our real-life test, we shot this entire video on C-Log to see how it would handle it.
Reason number 4, Thunderbolt 3 ports, RAM and Ethernet connection.
It can support up to 4 additional 4K displays rather than the iMac's 2, or 2 additional 5K monitors rather than just 1, thanks to the 2 extra USB-C Thunderbolt ports.
It has a higher bandwidth Ethernet connection, 10 GB versus 1 GB on the iMac. It supports up to a mind-blowing 250 GB of RAM, including error-correcting ECC memory, which is important for high-precision calculations. Last but not least, reason number 5. And this may well be a personal reason, right? FaceTime camera and microphones. The iMac Pro has 4 microphones versus 1 on the regular iMac and an HD FaceTime camera.
This makes it a great device for streaming and of course video calls. It obviously seems something that can be fixed using different means. However, this combined with all the reasons we said before makes it a winning combo.
So here's the question though, is it for you or is it worth the money? This is something you have to decide. To us, yes, although it is super expensive, we feel that the iMac Pro in the configuration we have is future-proof. Maybe not design-wise, but for what we are doing, it will stay for the coming 3 to 5 years, minimum.
So the iMac Pro works so well that by the time we get to watching 8K videos, we will be able to edit that raw footage too.
On the very same machine, obviously.
Yes.
So you have seen our 5 top reasons why we enjoy the iMac Pro. Let us know in the comments below, what do you think about the iMac Pro or just the regular iMac? Do you like the design or do you think it is too expensive? Let us know in the comments below. We really want to hear from you.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, share the love,
Share the love.
and comment.
Jens here from All Star Space.
Toni the Car Geek.
See you next time, as always.
Smell you later. Hi guys, we are Jens and Toni.
Hi guys, we are Jens and Toni.
Hi guys. Hi guys. See?